Hello friends, my name is Kaushik Patel. Today we are talking about drug safety, introduction of drug safety. Drug safety, it is a pharmacovigilance focus on the detecting, assessment, understanding and preventing adverse effects or any drug related problems. It is critical from the ensuring that the medications are used safety and the efficiency, ultimately the protecting the public health. Second one, the drug the drug development process, the preclinical trial testing before the human trials. Drug are tested in the lab. Drug are tested in the lab on animals to assess their safety and the efficiency of the clinical trial consider in phase 1. Test safety and the doses in the small group of healthcare phase 2 evaluates efficiency and the side effects in a large group of the patient. Third phase confirms the effectiveness and monitors the adverse reaction in a large population. Fifth phase, uh, post marketing surveillance to detect any large term side effects Third type, adverse drug reaction. Adverse drug reaction is a is the type A agreements of dose pendant and the predictable. Example, bleeding from the anticonvulsants. Type 2, blazon uh, pleasant, and the example is allergic reactions. Type 3, chronic related to the long term dose uses. Example, osteomasis from the cardionesis. Type uh, type uh, type d deleted effects appearing after the effects. Type E, the end of the treatment reactions occurring after stopping the medications. Example, withdrawal of symptoms. Fourth one, monitoring and users reporting system reporting system reporting systems reporting systems. Regulatory authorities, agencies organized like the FAD, EMA, and CDCOs are collect and analyze data or on drug safety. reporting reporting system. Healthcare profession and the patients are reporting the adverse effect through system like midwatch FAD, or the yellow color UK card. Data analysis agencies used these report to detect the pattern, assess the risk, and make decisions on the drug use. Fifth one, risk management and the communication. Risk assessments involving the potent risk associated with the drug, various its benefits. Management Risk management independent, such as dose of adjustment, warming, label and receptacle uses. Communication information provides and the public about safety information. Recommunication. These overviews covers the essential aspects of the drug from the drug development process to the monitoring the risk, risk management. Thank you.